what converts a routine traffic stop into a charge of attempted capital murder, one digit in a database, one decision to flee, and a constitutional framework that most people never know exists until it applies to them.
What's your social? Yeah, you can't put it, inside the vehicle, you're still in violation. All right, sir, it's going to be a warning for that. Wait right here, I'll be right back with you, okay? I want to say, I think he's lying to me. He gave me a social, and I'm looking at this warrant, and the social is very similar. There's only one letter off. Yeah, he's lying to me. This is going to be him. Can you work on getting a photo for that warrant, and let me pull him out of the vehicle before he runs on me? Can I talk to you back here? Armando?
No, sir.
Let me just talk to you back here.
What's up, man?
I just want to talk to you back here.
About what?
Are you lying to me about your name?
No, sir.
You sure you're not lying to me?
About what?
Did you give me the wrong social? Stand outside the vehicle. I have to take a photo of you. I'm going to confirm who you are. Yeah, I'm not going to place you under arrest. Don't do this in front of your mom.
Do what?
Refuse to step out of the vehicle because
you're scaring me.
No.
What's your intentions are if I give you my name and everything?
My intentions are to confirm your identity. I'm going to go get my phone and take a photo of you. If I confirm that that's you, now I'm going to come back over here and I'm going to have to tell you, hey, you're under arrest, and then I'm going to yank you out the car if you don't want to step out. And I don't want to do it in front of your mom. I really don't.
Hey, look, man, I don't have no warrant. I had a ticket warrant. That was
okay.
it.
I don't want to arrest the wrong person. It's probably not you. Just lay right here, okay? Show me the 1080. David 605 West Coast. We're going eastbound on Dicker.
10-4 eastbound on Dicker, Black SUV with Colorado. Attention Valvo County, 3 David 605, in a 1080 eastbound on Dicker from 23rd to Black in Colorado.
For 1014, there's going to be an elderly female in the passenger seat. There's male subject as well. Coming up to McCall, still on Dicker. He's slowing down. Speeds of around 80 to 90.
Eastbound Dicker, approaching McCall.
Alright, we're coming up to some heavy traffic. We should be slowing down here shortly. Still eastbound, passing Amarillo Drive.
Dicker, passing Amarillo.
Once he slows down, I'm going to step a bit. Alright, now we're going northbound on Cage. Coming up to a stride to the juniors. Crossing Thomas Road. Coming up to IE Road, speeds at 100 miles an hour.
That's all a huge passing by me. For DPST and surrounding agencies, unit 3 David 605 in the 1080 with a Black Hills, Colorado, northbound on Cage, passing by E Road.
Still northbound Cage, just cleared the levee. Cage, going to Rancho, Road, and we'll be passing. Speeds at 90.
As the suspect approaches the stop sticks, we calculated the speed of the suspect using their distance traveled over a 5-second period to be approximately 73 miles per hour. As the officer deploying stop sticks positions himself in the middle of the road, the suspect heads straight for him.
spikes. He can swerve through his unit into it. Alright, still northbound, coming up to Ridge Road. I'll be conducting a pit here. Going eastbound Ridge. Come on. Still haven't conducted the pit, trying to catch up. Eastbound Ridge, picking up speed.
$128, 8 minutes out.
He tried to brake check me. We're going to be going northbound on the road that starts at K.
I'm coming up westbound on Business.
We're on Pine and Linden.
10 on Linden.
Hey! Focus him. Hey, get the f down. Get down. Get down. Don't hurt me. Don't hurt me. Get down. Don't hurt me. Get down. Don't hurt me.
Direction? Yeah.
I'm down, bro. Get down. I'm choking. I can't breathe. I can't breathe. I can't breathe. I promise I ain't going nowhere.
Get down!
Hold on. Get down.
Put your hands behind your back.
Put your hands behind your back. I can't breathe. Hands. I can't breathe.
Put your back.
Get those legs. Breathe. I can't breathe. I can't breathe. Shut up. I can't breathe. Yes, you can.
Stop talking.
Somebody get to the vehicle. Yeah. Give me up. I'm fine. You ain't even got to go on here, man. I'm hot. Dude, he wouldn't give up. He has a warrant. His grandma's in the car, though. Or his mom. She's an old lady. How old is she? She's old, dude. She's like 70 plus. I'm out of shape. Ma'am, ¿estás bien?
¿Lista?
¿Qué tiene su hijo? ¿Qué trae o qué? Necesita ayuda.
Problema, sí.
Necesita ayuda. Mira, dale gracias a Dios. Dame un momento aquí. Tengo que tomar fotos.
Hey, she says she could drive.
You want me to get EMS out here?
I think so, man. It's gonna be a 79-year-old. He swerved into you, bro.
The spikes got caught.
I saw that.
I didn't take the little thing out, so I threw the spikes and took the whole and I was like, so it looked like he was going to go around, and then I started coming back and he swerved.
Like, if he would have stayed in a straight line, he wouldn't have hit him.
There's nothing on your knees?
Nah. Hey, relax. You're gonna feel good. Listen, whatever happened, happened. Let's start fresh. I'm gonna take you to the hospital. We're gonna get medically cleared. Go ahead, step out. Stand right there. Let me adjust these handcuffs. Just relax. That's your injury. This is all loose. I'll tell you what. Let's walk to my unit. My mom. She's good. We have EMS on the way. Well, because I don't want her driving. The car is damaged.
He's drivable, he's just a fender.
I don't want it on the road, man.
Don't tow it, because my guy ain't got no money, so he has to go to work. Waco.
I was behind you, man. I swerved into that deputy.
No, I didn't. I swerved away from him. The change were there. I swerved away from him. Come on, Mr. Levada, don't put that on me, please, man. I never heard one of you guys, man. That was stupid, ignorant. You know, I'm scared. Hey, sir, just give that. Just give that ID. That's my money. It's only $35. That's my money. I just. Can I get my envelope that he has in his hand?
Yeah.
$35 in there.
What's this, cash?
Yeah.
Okay. You want to take this money with you?
Yes. All right. And that envelope too.
And he wants that money. That's like her envelope or something like that. His envelope.
It is her envelope.
Okay.
Because her
ID's in there. Okay. Hey, she's claiming that's hers.
I said I need it for the county. So I just took it out the bank. Let me talk to my mom, please. Please, sir.
Oh man, look at you got my unit all messed up here.
You got a good on the body.
I didn't. Who me?
You.
I'm pit certified.
You jammed your door.
I'm pit certified. You don't run from us. I'll tell you who tried to kill who. You tried to kill that deputy.
No, I did it. I swerved that way from him.
That was the scariest thing.
I swerved away from him.
That was the scariest thing, man. Mom. We're gonna sit her down. Relax. You put her through too much right now. Put your foot in. I'm gonna tore up with that.
Please, Mr. Let me speak to my mom, please.
Appreciate it. Thank you. Okay.
Please, can I speak to my mom? Are you letting me speak to my mom, please?
Yes, I am. If you just behave and relax.
Can I get this water?
Yeah, your back gate was open, so he just ran through the gate. He didn't damage any property or anything like that.
Please, can I speak to Mr. Olivares? Please, please.
She doesn't want to speak to you, man.
Please, sir. Yes, she does. Please, let me speak to her. Please, Mr. Olivares.
Listen, what do you want to tell her?
Let me get that $35 so I have my money.
Okay, I'll tell her to put it in your books. I'm not releasing this car to her. I'm sure she's shook up.
Yeah, she is.
Yeah. Hey, we're calling family members. They're going to take you money. Those $35, she's going to take them to you at the jail. I swear to God.
Can I speak to her just real quick?
I can't because she's getting checked out. She is very shook up.
Can you go outside and just tell her something out the window? Just something real quick.
Oh, my God. Dude, seriously. Tell her something. Hey, guys, can he yell something at her?
Mamá, te amo. Hey. Ese dinerito, déjame llevarlo por correo.
Seriously, dude. She...
Gracias, ma.
Before we get driving, I'm going to read you your rights. You have the right to remain silent. Do you understand these rights?
No, sir.
You don't? Okay. But that's fine. I'm not going to ask you any questioning. You do understand.
Sir, please, I'm sorry about that charge.
Whatever the video showed, what way did you swerve? What way did you swerve?
And then I went to the crossing when he ran across.
Nah.
I did swerve left and then I came right.
I saw him running right. You were going right.
No. He went to throw the thing, and then when he started to run right, that's when I went that way so I could miss the change. Come on, Mr. Olivares, don't put that on me, man. I'm already going back to prison because of my parole. Please, sir, don't do that. My whole life I've never harmed an officer.
All you had to do was get out, man.
Please don't put that charge in, man. No, Mr. Olivares.
All you had to do was get out. I gave you a chance. I told you what was going to happen. I was super transparent with you, man.
Please,
super transparent.
Please,
that's fine. That's fine. I don't care about the charge. That's fine. I'm not going to put you in charge. Whatever you want, man.
No, please.
Whatever you want.
Are you being serious?
This is you're the one in charge here right now.
No, you are, sir.
I don't know.
You are, sir. I'm just
where.
Stop
begging me for that. You're pissing me off. Okay. You put so many lives at risk right now. So many. Look at this. School hours, kids coming out of school. You got your mom in the passenger seat.
I just got scared. I don't know why I got scared. I'm sober.
All it was a simple warrant.
Yeah, I don't know why.
Simple warrant.
Texas Penal Code Section 38.2 criminalizes intentional false identification during any lawful detention. A single-digit variance in a social security number satisfies the reasonable articulable suspicion standard under Terry v. Ohio 1968. That variance converts reasonable suspicion into probable cause for compelled identification. Pennsylvania v. Mims 1977 then authorizes an exit order without additional justification. Both steps are constitutionally sequential and legally independent of each other. Graham v. Connor 1989 is the foundational use of force standard in American law. Reasonableness is assessed from the perspective of a trained officer at the moment, not from the comfort of legal hindsight after the outcome is already known. A pit maneuver executed above 35 to 45 miles per hour qualifies as potentially deadly force. Texas agency policy mandates prior PT certification and supervisory authorization. Absence of either creates direct civil liability exposure under 42 U.S.C. Section 1983. Scott v. Harris, 2007, is the controlling Supreme Court authority on pursuit intervention, applying vehicle contact force to terminate a pursuit that poses substantial danger to the public does not violate the Fourth Amendment prohibition on unreasonable seizures. Texas Penal Code Sections 15.1 and 19. 3 define attempted capital murder of a peace officer as a specific act performed with the intent to cause death. Reckless driving, regardless of speed or proximity, does not satisfy the intentionality element. City of Revere v. Massachusetts General Hospital 1983 imposes a 14th Amendment duty to provide medical care to any person injured during apprehension. Miranda v. Arizona 1966 requires rights advisement before any custodial interrogation, without exception. Operational lesson. Documented transparency in investigative intent creates a contemporaneous legal record, corroborating each subsequent enforcement decision. It functions simultaneously as a de-escalation tool and a litigation defense. Critical lesson. Dismissing repeated medical distress claims during post-pursuit restraint exposes officers and departments to 14th Amendment liability. The legal standard is not whether the claim is medically accurate, but whether it was taken seriously. The capital murder charge was dismissed. The swerve is on video. The law requires one precise answer. Was the act deliberate or evasive? The footage exists. The legal standard exists. That question has not been answered.